We're going to be talking about Ankr Network. Is this cryptocurrency an undervalued gem? I'm going to be taking a look into the charts for Ankr and show you guys some price targets and setups for this market that I'm paying attention to. Of course, these are just my opinions and speculations, and none of which what I'm saying here is financial advice. You guys should do your own due diligence. I am long on quite a bit of these altcoins here across the board, including Bitcoin and quite a bit of the altcoins. I am not in Anchor right now, but it is a coin I will probably be looking for opportunities in a scalp. Now, what I'm doing here, what I'm seeing here for Anchor is if you actually come to the 3 day time frame here, okay, I see a major falling wedge pattern, and Anchor is near the bottom of this falling wedge pattern. Now, like a lot of these altcoins here, a lot of these smaller altcoins I see ranking, 200 and below, they have been pretty beat down in the past couple of months since Bitcoin has gotten rejected at about that 110K level back in January. A lot of altcoins have been pretty beat down, and even for some of the lower ranking ones, even the lower ranking ones like 500 and below, those are in the deep holes of this market right now, trying to come back. So I do think a lot of altcoins are undervalued, right? But as you guys can see, this is near the bottom of this what I would call a bullish pattern here, because falling wedge patterns are usually bullish. Okay, they usually break to the upside. And what I'm seeing here is, let's just say this is the 3 day time frame. So it's kind of a medium term time frame here. Okay. It's a price target, if it actually breaks out by this point, would give Anchor a price target of about 5.6 cents price target. Now, would that be the price target for Anchor, like permanently for this bull cycle? No, I mean I do think that it has a pretty good chance of smashing through it, because I usually see altcoins breaking through some of its price targets during a bull cycle, and I do think the bull cycle has just started, especially with Bitcoin breaking above its all-time highs this week. Bitcoin is the driver that I have to pay attention to, because that is the driver of this crypto market. When it starts dumping, that is where I would start scaling or even pull out of the markets for altcoins, depending on the part of the cycle it's in, of course, and some pretty important signals that I think you guys should learn as well, which includes the RSI, right? Now, I do think that we have some time to go for this bull cycle, so quite a bit of time for Anchor to make some moves, right? Now, if Anchor actually comes, let's just say big if, okay, if Anchor actually comes here to this price target here. Sorry, I think I mentioned the price target was about 5.6 cents. It's actually above 10 cents here, okay? If it actually comes here to the price target, and if it consolidates, I would chart the consolidation pattern and see if I can get any more clues on if Anchor will continue going or pulling back from there. The lesson is to be continuously charting. So if you guys don't know how to chart, I will highly recommend that you guys learn how to chart. It's very important so you can actually form your own opinions. Right now, what Anchor is trying to do is getting above some major moving averages. Right, it has also broken out of a smaller falling wedge pattern with a price target of about 1.9 cents. So a small move, but quite a bit of resistance along the way right now, including a 3 day moving averages. Something to just be keeping an eye out on, especially when if and when it goes through this bigger falling wedge pattern here. Of course, there is also a smaller chance that this falling wedge pattern breaks down as well. In that case, I will rechart the pattern and see what's going on in this market. Now, this basically wraps it up for my talk here for Anchor for today. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing more of Anchor by dropping a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.